Imagine a world where financial transactions happen instantly, without any intermediaries. How would that change your life? Welcome to the realm of Bitcoin and decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. It's a world where the traditional boundaries of finance are being pushed and molded into something new and exciting. At the heart of this revolution is Bitcoin, the digital gold of the internet age. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. It's the pioneer of a new financial era, pushing for a future where you have complete control over your money. Then there's DeFi. It's the latest evolution in financial technology, leveraging blockchain technology to decentralize a multitude of financial transactions. It has the potential to completely disrupt traditional finance, making transactions faster, cheaper, and more accessible to everyone. Dive into the world of Bitcoin and DeFi to understand how these technologies could revolutionize your financial world. Scene script. Bitcoin, a digital currency or cryptocurrency, has become a household name. But what exactly is it? Imagine a world where money is not controlled by banks or governments, but by the people who use it. Welcome to the world of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was invented in 2008 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The currency began use in 2009 when its implementation was released as open source software. At the heart of Bitcoin is a technology called blockchain. A blockchain is a type of database that stores information across a network of personal computers, making the data not just decentralized but distributed. This means no central company or person owns the system, yet everyone can use it and help run it. This is important because it makes transactions transparent and secure, without the need for intermediaries like banks. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin can be exchanged for other currencies, products, and services, and it's often used for peer-to-peer transactions. This means that if you have Bitcoin, you can send it directly to other people without needing to go through a bank. But Bitcoin isn't just about sending money. It's about changing how the world thinks about and uses money. It's about taking control away from central authorities and giving it back to the people. It's about creating a financial system that's fair, transparent, and accessible to everyone, regardless of where they live or how much money they have. Bitcoin is also about creating new opportunities. Because it's decentralized, it can't be shut down by any government. And because it's digital, it can be sent anywhere in the world instantly, making it possible for people in developing countries to access financial services for the first time. Bitcoin is not just a digital currency, it's a financial revolution. It's a way of reshaping the world's financial systems in a way that's more democratic, more transparent, and more fair. And whether you're a believer in Bitcoin or not, there's no denying the impact it's had on the world. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, is a term that you may have heard buzzing around. But what does it mean? Let's break it down. DeFi stands for Decentralized Finance. As the name suggests, it's a system where financial services are provided on a decentralized network, rather than by traditional, centralized institutions. Imagine a world where you can lend, borrow, trade, insure, and more, all without a bank or an insurance company. That's the world DeFi is creating. The magic behind DeFi is a technology called smart contracts. Think of smart contracts as programmable money. They're self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. No need for a middleman to enforce the rules. The smart contract does it all. This technology enables DeFi platforms to operate in a trustless and permissionless environment. Trustless because you don't need to trust a third party. The smart contract ensures everything runs smoothly. Permissionless because anyone with an internet connection can participate. No need for credit checks or proof of income. DeFi has the potential to disrupt traditional finance in a big way. It can provide financial services to the unbanked, those who've been left out of the financial system. It can also create more competitive markets by removing intermediaries and reducing costs. But it's not just about disruption. DeFi also offers innovation. Think of flash loans, where you can borrow millions without collateral for a few seconds, or yield farming, where you can earn returns by lending your crypto assets. These are financial services that simply didn't exist before DeFi. The promise of DeFi is a more open, inclusive, and efficient financial system. A system where financial services are as accessible as an internet connection. A system where you have complete control over your money. So when you hear DeFi, think decentralization, think disruption, but most importantly, think innovation. DeFi is the future of finance, offering a new world of possibilities. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, and DeFi, the disruptor of traditional finance. How do these two interact? In the world of decentralized finance, Bitcoin is not just a bystander. It plays a pivotal role, serving as the cornerstone of many DeFi applications. It's the digital gold of the crypto market, and the DeFi ecosystem leverages this to its advantage. Let's take a closer look at how Bitcoin is utilized in DeFi. Bitcoin can be wrapped into a token that's compatible with the Ethereum blockchain, the primary hub for DeFi applications. This token, known as Wrapped Bitcoin or WBTC, can then be used in various DeFi protocols for lending, borrowing, or earning interest. But why go through the process of wrapping Bitcoin? Why not just use Ethereum or other native DeFi tokens? Well, Bitcoin holds a significant portion of the total cryptocurrency market cap. By wrapping Bitcoin, we unlock that value and allow it to flow into the DeFi ecosystem. This increases liquidity and brings more stability to the market. However, it's important to note that while there are benefits, there are also risks involved. One such risk is the reliance on intermediaries to wrap and unwrap Bitcoin. This process, while necessary for compatibility with DeFi protocols, introduces a level of centralization that goes against the ethos of decentralization. Moreover, the DeFi market is still in its infancy and is highly volatile. While the potential for high returns is enticing, the risk of substantial losses is equally present. As such, it's crucial for anyone venturing into the DeFi space to do so with a clear understanding of these risks. Despite the risks, the integration of Bitcoin into the DeFi ecosystem offers immense potential. By leveraging the value and stability of Bitcoin, DeFi can provide alternative financial services that are accessible to anyone, anywhere, at any time. Bitcoin and DeFi are a powerful combination, with the potential to reshape the financial landscape. The world of Bitcoin and DeFi is exciting and full of potential. But what does the future hold? Let's gaze into the crystal ball and speculate a bit about potential developments in Bitcoin and DeFi. The future of Bitcoin is likely to be influenced by technological advancements, regulatory changes, and shifts in market demand. For instance, the implementation of the Lightning Network, a second-layer protocol on top of Bitcoin's blockchain, could potentially increase Bitcoin's scalability, making it more suitable for everyday transactions. On the regulatory front, the adoption of Bitcoin by governments and financial institutions could either make or break its future. If Bitcoin is embraced by these entities, it could become a mainstream means of exchange. However, if it is rejected or heavily regulated, Bitcoin's growth could be stifled. Moving on to DeFi, its future lies in its ability to solve the existing problems in the traditional financial systems. For example, DeFi could potentially eliminate intermediaries, providing more direct, efficient, and inclusive financial services. However, the DeFi ecosystem also faces its own set of challenges. It needs to address issues such as security, scalability, and interoperability to truly revolutionize the financial industry. Now let's talk about opportunities. The integration of Bitcoin into the DeFi ecosystem could potentially create a more secure, transparent, and inclusive financial system. Imagine a world where anyone, regardless of their location or financial status, can access financial services. This is the potential power of Bitcoin and DeFi. But as with any innovation, there are risks. The volatility of Bitcoin, the complexity of DeFi platforms, and the regulatory uncertainties are all factors that could hinder their growth. It's a delicate balance of risks and rewards, opportunities and challenges. The future of Bitcoin and DeFi is uncertain, but one thing is clear. They are here to stay and will continue to shape the world of finance. So, while we can't predict the future with absolute certainty, we can be sure that the journey will be an exciting one. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. In the world of finance, Bitcoin and DeFi are game changers. As we've journeyed through this discussion, we've seen how Bitcoin, born out of the desire for a decentralized financial system, has taken the world by storm. We've dissected the concept of decentralized finance, understanding its essence as an open, permissionless, and transparent alternative to traditional finance. We've explored the synergy between Bitcoin and DeFi, witnessing how Bitcoin, being the king of cryptocurrencies, plays a pivotal role in the DeFi ecosystem. We've looked into the crystal ball, considering the potential of Bitcoin and DeFi to disrupt traditional finance, to create a world where control over financial decisions is in the hands of the many, not the few. The story of Bitcoin and DeFi is still being written. Every day brings new developments, new possibilities, and new challenges. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of Bitcoin and DeFi, where the future of finance is being written.